Good morning, fam. This is Eddie, and I got Elena over here doing her homework. What kind of homework are you doing, Elena?
Math.
Math? Is it hard? What problem are you working on right now? Subtraction. Super cool. Today, like we said, we are going to the bird farm. It's about 7:42. Everyone's still kind of waking up. Got to eat breakfast. Gonna get ready, and then we are heading to the bird farm. Super stoked about this bird farm. It's crazy because it's only a bird farm, and I'm super excited. So I hope you are too. I'm gonna go get ready. You can feel free to watch Elena do homework, look around the backyard, watch me and Melinda cook breakfast for the kids. But yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the family. No? Why don't you want to say hi? There you go. What you doing? How come you're naked right now? What happened while I was gone? Hey, hands out. Hand out. Hand out. What's that? Come here, let's change clothes.
See ya.
You alright? Your face was classic. Alright, what do we say?
Do you know where you're going?
To the bird farm.
Do you know how to get there?
I definitely know how to get to a bird farm. Oh wait, no, actually, no, I should go the opposite way.
Yep.
Alright, hold on. So they had this sale on this bread for like $1.50.
Nice.
I know. Gotta get bread for the kids. You wanna switch? Okay, what do we say again? As we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou.
You guys mind me filming you? Hi! Nice hat.
Welcome to the bird farm. I'm glad you're here today, and my friends are glad you're here today too. I want everybody to count their fingers. Okay, so count your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
they came with. There was a man who was just out of the Navy and was working for the railroad. He met a girl who was raising parakeets, and he, very short time, calls the railroad and says, I can't work for the railroad. I'm going to raise birds. Here we and their mommy and daddy gives them really good, healthy vitamins and minerals. Because what a bird does. Back in the day when I was doing my husband, you couldn't get cracking out of the shell.
She did, yeah. But I want to have a turn.
Okay, who's next?
Okay, then look at it over there.
You're not giving her enough attention, Mom.
I'm sorry, what do I do?
Well, what do I do? I'll get her.
Does it hurt?
Okay.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Azza? Yep. What are we stopping for?
French fries.
Yeah, buddy. Don't close it on her legs. Just squeeze by, please. Thank you.
Take your shoes off.
Okay, everybody, I'm off to work. Bye.
Daddy.
Love you. Mwah. Love you.
I'm not off.
Bye.
You stay like
Kisses.
You stay like home.
I'm leaving now. I'm not gonna take a picture of you on the toilet. Bye byes. Mwah. When you're off at the toilet, maybe. Ew, gross. Here, come here. Mwah. Love you. You want hugs too? Love you. Bye. Best for last.